Bienvenue tout le monde. Aujourd'hui, nous allons apprendre les membres de la famille. Les membres de la famille. Welcome everyone. So today, we are going to be learning the members of the family, nuclear family and extended family. We are going to find out the members of the family in French language. Are you ready? Vous êtes prêts? C'est parti. Let's dive in. Les parents, les parents. Les parents means parents. Les parents. Remember in French, you don't pronounce the last alphabet of the word in French. So, les parents. Les parents. Les parents means parents. So we can quickly make a sentence with les parents. Like, mes parents sont géniaux. Mes parents sont géniaux. It means my parents are nice. Les parents. Le père. Le père. Le père means father. Father is a masculine noun, so it comes with the article le instead of la. Remember, la is for feminine noun, while le is for masculine noun. So le père means father. You can't say la père. No, it's not correct. La is for feminine. You see, le père, because le is an article used for masculine. Le père, father. La mère, la mère. La mère means mother. La is used before mère because mère is a feminine noun. We use la for feminine noun. We use lo for masculine noun. So la mère. It's wrong to say lo mère because mère is feminine. So say la mère. La mère means mother. Le frère. Le frère. Le frère means brother, and of course we use lo because brother is masculine. So le frère. We can't say la frère. No, ce n'est pas correct. It's not correct. So we say le frère, brother. La sœur. La sœur. La sœur means sister. Of course, sister is feminine, so the article la instead of lo. La sœur. La sœur, sister. Le fils. Le fils. Le fils means son. Le fils, son. Now, let's dive into the extended family. Just like English, French has nuclear family and extended family. So let's find out the extended family in French language. Les grands-parents. Les grands-parents. Les grands-parents means grandparents. Les grands-parents, grandparents. Le grand-père. Le grand-père means grandfather. Grandfather. Now, you could be wondering why, when there is the article les, we pronounce it as le instead of lo. Once there is the article les, it's pronounced as le, but the article le is pronounced as o. In our subsequent video, you can learn pronunciations of the different articles. So, back to les parents, le grand-père. Le grand-père means grandfather. La grand-mère. La grand-mère. La grand-mère means grandmother. Grandmother. La grand-mère. L'oncle. L'oncle. L'oncle means uncle. L'oncle. Uncle. Now you could be wondering why the article is pronounced together with the noun. The article is pronounced together in French. When a consonant sound and a vowel sound come together, you join them together and pronounce. You don't pronounce them separately, you pronounce it together. We're going to look at that in our next video. L'oncle. L'oncle means uncle. L'oncle, uncle. La tante. La tante. La tante means auntie, aunt. La tante, aunt. La tante, aunt. My auntie is beautiful. If you want to say my auntie is beautiful or my auntie is very beautiful. Ma tante est très belle. Ma tante est très belle. Tante means aunt. Now we have la cousine. La cousine, le cousin. When it's a feminine cousin, probably it's a lady. That's your cousin. Your cousin is a lady. You have the E at the ending of the spelling of cousin. When it's a masculine, you remove the E at the ending of the spelling of cousin. So, la cousine for feminine, le cousin for masculine. Next is le nouveau. Le nouveau. Le nouveau means nephew. Le nouveau, nephew. La niece. La niece. La niece means niece. La niece means niece. Now let's dive into la famille par mariage. La famille par mariage. Family by marriage. Le mari. Le mari. Le mari means husband. Le mari. So let's make a sentence with husband. Mon mari est très génial. Mon mari est très génial. My husband is very nice. My husband is very kind. Mon mari est très génial. Now you're using mon, not ma, because husband is masculine. Husband is a masculine noun, so you use mon mari. You say mon mari, not ma mari. Rather, mon. La femme. La femme means wife. La femme. La femme, wife. So for example, par example, if I want to say your wife is beautiful. Your wife is beautiful. Ta femme est très belle. Your wife is very beautiful. Ta femme est très belle. You can't say ton because ton is for masculine. Now, of course, wife is a feminine person, right? So you say ta instead of ton. You don't use ton. In our next video, we're going to be looking at the different articles, so you're going to understand much better. So in this case, we say ta femme, your wife. Ta femme est très belle. Your wife is very beautiful. Le beau-père. Le beau-père. Le beau-père means two things. It could mean father-in-law in a different context, it could also mean stepfather. More reason you have to learn French based on context. You can say, oh, because um, le beau-père means father-in-law. That means in every context, anytime you see le beau-père, it means father-in-law. No, in some context, it means stepfather. So it depends on the context the story is talking about or the person is referring to. So, le beau-père means either father-in-law or stepfather. La belle-mère, la belle-mère, la belle-mère means mother-in-law, mother-in-law or stepmother. So in some context, it could mean mother-in-law. Probably the person is trying to refer to the mother-in-law. In another context, it could be stepmother. So, more reasons you have to learn French based on context. You don't cram French, you learn it based on context. Le beau-frère, le beau-frère. Le beau-frère means brother-in-law. Le beau-frère, brother-in-law. You could equally make a sentence with brother-in-law. You could say, mon beau-frère est très génial. Mon beau-frère est très génial. Why are we using mon instead of ma? Because brother-in-law is masculine. So, mon beau-frère est très génial. My brother-in-law is very kind. La belle-sœur. La belle-sœur. Sister-in-law. La belle-sœur. Now you could equally make a sentence. Ma belle-sœur est très géniale. Ma belle-sœur est très géniale. Meaning, my sister-in-law is very kind. Why aren't we using more? Because sir is feminine. Sir is feminine, so we can say mon belle-sœur. It's wrong. We say ma belle-sœur, my sister-in-law. It was wonderful learning French with you today. So, in our next video, we are going to be looking at the articles, the different articles in French and their usage. So, for more French lessons, click on the like and subscribe button so you don't miss any French class. Bye bye, au revoir, à bientôt, see you next time.